Alright, so in this video, I'm just going to show how I calculated confidence intervals for a cornfield forecast, and I'm going to explain what they mean for decision making. So I did I put the 6 forecast into Excel, and I got the average, which is 152.50. You basically get the average by putting in this and doing the smallest one by the biggest one. And since the population standard deviation is 10, I used a Z confidence interval. So for my 90% interval, I got 145.78 to 159.22. And then for my 99%, I got 141.98 to 163.02. So my 99% interval is wider than the 90% interval. That's just because the higher the confidence level, the more value we include to be more sure that the true average is in the range. So basically what that means is just these intervals just show that the true average is the cornfield is likely to fall. The 90% interval is smaller and more precise, while the 99% interval is wider and safer. So let me show with my business decisions, I say if farmers want to be more careful, they would use the 99% one because it lowers the risk of being wrong. But if they want a more exact estimate, they might want to use the 90% one. So why use Z? We use Z interval because population standard deviation is already known. As you can see right here, the confidence level just means that if we repeated this many times, most intervals would contain a true average. So overall, the 90% interval is more precise and the 99% interval is more reliable for safer decisions.